Hello guys, welcome to my channel Aryaman's Aesthetic. So today's topic would be uh, there was a time when I had no money to travel till gym. Before starting this video, I want to thank all of you that in a very short time I've crossed 100 subscribers. I also got a mail from YouTube as well to for the best wishes, and this is all because of you guys. So keep supporting me and keep liking me. So without wasting any time, I want to share the story that I had no money to travel to the gym. This video I'm making because I've seen some people that they have gym in their own societies but they don't go to work out. So I thought that I should make this video. Um, I was 12 years old. I'll start from the scratch that when I started, how I started, what was the reason, what was the intention, what was the not intention to start to make a good body, right? So I was 12 years old and I was in school and I was in football team, and every morning I used to go by cycle. Then again, before the lecture starts, I used to go to the ground. Then 1 hour we used to practice crunches, juggling, sprinting. I was also in sports, so high jump, long jump, swimming. There was a swimming pool in my school, luckily, and I used to swim every day. So physically, I was quite gifted. I thanks to my parents for that, for their genetics. Thank you, mom, dad. So let's come to the point. Before going to the gym, I remember I had a pipe in my terrace. With the help of that nylon rope, I hung it in my terrace area, and I used to do pull-ups every day at that time before going to school. And one day my mom told me that once you'll be 17 years of old, then I'll put you in the gym. But till the time I remember I used to put all the books in my school bag, and I used to do bicep curls. So the weight increases. So that because of that, I used to put all the books in my school bag, and I used to do bicep curls. So the time came when I turned 16 and a half, I guess. So I enrolled myself in a gym, and it was everything. It was new for me. I did not know anything. I was blanked. I did not know what is this machine about. And one day the trainer told me to do that lat pull down, and I was doing that, and it was so heavy that it slipped from my hand, and the people they were not laughing at me, but the people around me, they were looking at me, and I was so embarrassed that I walked out from there, and the next day I didn't went to that gym. After some months, I enrolled myself in another gym. It was very simple gym, but it was a nice gym. I got to know the new exercises, basic exercises. Then we should give 1 day for each muscle, like for Monday chest, then Tuesday biceps, then Thursday back, Saturday legs, etc. So I came to know that we also need to have protein as well, right? So I did not had money to travel to the gym. Then how can I buy protein? So I remember, I'll tell you, my gym was far away from my home. I think it was 4 kilometers from my house. So I did not had money to put petrol in my bike. I did not had 7 rupees at that time to give to the auto rickshaw driver. It was a sharing auto at that time. I remember it was 7 rupees. Now it's 15 rupees. That time it was 7. Yeah. So I did not had money. In a rainy season also, I used to carry one umbrella, and I used to go by walking to the gym. And I remember one day I shifted in Vashi, and my gym was in Panvel. So I also used to travel from train just to work out from Panvel to Vashi. So I also did this. That's why I'm saying, for those people, you have gym in your own society and you're not going, then how is it possible? How you can make that physique, your dream physique, that you want to make it? So as soon as I started keep going, I started my workout, and I got to see a lot of transformation in my body. And Then people started looking at me, staring at me, appreciating me, because it was my dream, it was my intention. As I told you, it was my not intention. On camera, on record, I'm saying this. Yes, every boy have this intention, this dream, but nobody talks about it. I want to be genuine, I want to be loyal with you guys. It's not like that in home I'm something different, in public place I'm something different. No, what I want to share my story. So I had that intention, girls should stare at me, and it happened. Thanks to God to show me this time. And people, then boys, then teenagers, uncles as well, they used to started appreciating me, that started asking me question, we also, how you make your forearms, how you made your back, please give us some tips. I was very happy, because whenever you work for something and you get the results and people started appreciating about it, you feel very happy. Trust me guys, it makes you feel happy. Then I never thought that someday I'll be bare chested on stage and I'll dance. I'm also average. I'm a fair dancer, I should say. I'm not a good dancer, I'm a fair dancer. So there were times when I was small, I was 5 years old. I did Prabhu Deva. No, I did Hrithik Roshan dance at the first time, and I was so nervous on stage that I was, just playing with my fingers. I did not had that courage to dance. And the time changes, and now I remember 2 years ago, I did bare chested. I was bare chested on stage, shirtless, and I was dancing. So that was a big achievement for me, at least. Then I did also some fitness modeling shows in front of Jeff side. So whenever I feel depressed, so I think about my journey. I think about it that when I started, I was nothing. At least I have 4 things much more as compared to what I was in my past. So for this video, I made for those people, I don't know, who are lonely and who are helpless at their home, and I don't know, we can never know what are they going through in their daily lives. So I hope this video motivates you, and nothing is impossible. If you have some obsession, if you have some dream in your mind, work on it. It takes time, I know it takes time, but one day you will definitely reach to your goal, guys. So never give up. And that's all. I wanted to make this video just to share my simple short story about how I suffered when I had no money to travel. So keep supporting, guys, and I'll as soon as the lockdown opens, I'll go to the gym and I'll show you my all workout routines, and my daily lifestyle also, what I do, what I eat, everything. And till the time, you guys please support me in my YouTube, and please like my channel, share with your friends, and those who not subscribed at my channel yet, subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification and you can watch my latest video. So thank you guys, thank you for your support. I love you.